So much happened around. So many people lost their lives. So many people lost their jobs. What do I do? Do I need to work? Do I need to become an entrepreneur suddenly? Do I need to how do I survive? What do I eat? How do I get my next meal? There could be so many things. But one thing is for sure, things that you cannot do alone, with people, with support, with company, you can always achieve much. Power of collaboration is this. My name is Vijay. I am an L&D professional, a trainer and a coach. My intention over here is to explain you the second power of the ACE model that we spoke about is power of collaboration. When we cannot achieve something alone, we can always achieve by adding up, by collaborating with different people, by joining hands. All we need to is learn how to do this. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can use this power of collaboration. And if you find value in this, kindly share this, subscribe to the channel and look ahead for a lot more content on these lines. The formula for achieving the power of collaboration, I call it as CRISP. Let us understand what it is. C-R-I-S-P, CRISP. If you understand CRISP well, you would be able to achieve and execute the power of collaboration that I'm talking about. C stands for connect. Understand the situation which you are in, understand the thing that you want to achieve and try to connect to the like-minded people. See who are the other people who are holding the same kind of an interest or same kind of an exposure. See, I'm a trainer, and in these difficult times when I see I need to start looking at who are the other people, who are the other trainers. Can a couple of trainers join together and do something? Where are the organizations, companies? Are they looking for something where I can collaborate with? These are so difficult times. People are not able to manage their health, not able to manage physically and mentally. Is there anyone whom I can help? I can coach them to work on it. You need to find out different avenues. Think of where all it's possible and first try to connect with people. Connect with as many people as you can. Connect with as many groups as you can, and that should be the first important step for achieving the power of collaboration. Connect. R stands for reach. Reaching to the people whom you have connected is very critical. Most of the time people connect and then they just keep the connects aside. You need to reach. You should not wait that somebody would come and reach me and then I will start responding. No, you should be very clear. Your objective is to collaborate. You have connected, now reach them. Reach through different sources, send them content, talk to them, chat them, call them, find out what is the common thing that could connect a thread between you people. How does the other person feels? See what is it that we can do to come out of a situation like this. Is it like you're only seeking a help, or is it like you both are helping each other to come out of it? These are critical things to think about it. The important part over here is you reach. Don't wait for something to happen. If you have connected with people, reach them. I stands for interest. See what is interesting the other one. Never be in a thought that you have some interest and everybody should like that. No, you need to find out people who have similar interest. And when you have connected with people, you have reached them, try to see different interests. See what is their interest, understand each other's interest, and then you would be in a position to come to a situation. Come to a platform where things can be discussed, things can be worked towards it. When you are trying to collaborate, it is not just your interest but the other people's interest as well. So learn about each other's interest and see how well it can be executed ahead. S stands for storming. Brainstorming. Thinking about it, discussing about it, talking it loud. When you have connected with these people, with these like-minded people, you need to discuss your thoughts and ideas. Don't hold on to your small ideas or big ideas, whatever ideas it could be. Never be thinking in a way like I hold to my ideas because somebody will take it, somebody will copy it. No, discuss about it. talk to people whom you have collaborated. You need to get more and more crystal clear thoughts out of it, ideas out of it, right? So storming is super critical. Once you storm properly, you will be more clear of what is it that can be done, how well these collaborations can really work. Or sometimes you'll also find maybe to a level you have gone to somebody and then you understood the ideologies of two people are not meeting. Maybe you should not collaborate on that particular thing with that particular person. It's important to know that. Storming is what I'm talking about. P in CRISP talks about partnership. Collaboration is not like somebody is working for the other. It is all about you are working for each other. So there is only partnership that needs to be thought for. It is not like I'm going to take an advantage from somebody so I will collaborate. It doesn't work. Or somebody else has the same feeling. It doesn't really work. You people, when you collaborate with somebody, you need to be very clear. The idea over here is to partner, is to help each other, is to work together and come out of these difficult situations and difficult times. CRISP is the way to collaborate. If you use the CRISP properly, you would be able to collaborate well, and that's the power that you need to unleash. So CRISP stands for C is connect, R is reach, I is interest, S is storming, and P is partnership. Understand and learn CRISP. This will help you to collaborate well. In the next video, I'm going to talk to you about power of execution. Looking forward for that video. Until then, if you find value over here, share this video and subscribe to the channel to see the further videos which I'm talking about. The entire model which I was talking about, those video contents are already available in the description in this particular video.